If you cut an opening in a water source high above, the stream will flow naturally downward, irrigating the terraced fields with ease. But if the spring lies at the bottom of the slope, you can only carry water up by hand, bucket after bucket up the steep ridges, until your shoulders burn red and your clothes are soaked in sweat. Yet only a fraction of the fields ever get watered, so how could water ever rise on its own? First you imagine laying a long wooden trough along the terrace edge, tying a rope to a bucket and hauling it up. That spares you some climbing, but one bucket at a time is far too little. Then you string several buckets like beads on a necklace, so each pull of the rope brings up many times more water. The problem is, once filled, the buckets grow too heavy, and soon your arms ache and can pull no more. Then you recall the pulley used at wells, a gourd or hook that makes lifting easier with leverage. That works, but once the bucket reaches the top, you must drag the rope back down by hand. The whole process is still clumsy. Finally, inspiration strikes. Place a turning wheel at the spring as well, and loop the rope into a closed circuit. Now, instead of heavy wooden buckets that jam on the way up, you switch to light bamboo tubes. Suddenly, everything runs smooth. Standing at the top, you turn the wheel, and the rope slithers like a living dragon. Bamboo tubes dip into the water below, fill with clear spring, then rise steadily. At the crest they tip and spill their contents, pouring fresh water exactly into the highest terrace. From there, the water cascades step by step, feeding every field below. Congratulations! You have just rediscovered the ancient bamboo water wheel, a device that harnesses rope and rotation to draw rivers uphill. With it, mountain springs knock at the gates of distant gardens, and sheer cliffs transform into fertile stairways of green.